latest online banking script coming soon, so you guys should stay tuned. Everything you can see, it has two front ends. This is the other front end. Let me go to the other one so that we check. You can see here, this is another front end. So you can see, if you really need the script, you can inbox me. So my video, I'm going to I will take you guys step by step how you're going to use the script and create your own online banking, and I will show you guys the user home page. So you can see this is the other front end. See, I'm still working on it. I'm still working on it. I'm not yet done. So immediately I'm just done, I'm going to release the script for you guys. So you guys should stay tuned when I get back to you guys soon on this particular script. You can see this is the admin page. So I'm still working on it. You can see total users, and you can see credit cards, can generate codes, billing settings, and then send email. You can see settings, logout, and then security, home. So everything is intact. Adding new features. Alright, so you guys should stay tuned to get this online banking script. Yes, let me just try to log in and see. Let me log in a user so that you guys can see. So that you guys will see. That's what I want. I want to log into a user. Sorry. And check for the ID. Alright, I've logged in. You can see here. You can see money transfer. You can see money transfer, and then loan can. This is loan page where you can contact and get your loan. Close account history. Into your history. My profile. You can see current balance, account number, and impressions details, and then my dashboard. Select dates. You can see notification. Everything is intact. So in my next video, I'm going to teach you guys how you're going to do everything, set up everything, and then get your online banking script. Perfect. So thank you guys for watching.